So following the link from this page, click the sign up, where you'll be taken to this page here. And from here, what we need to now do is fill in the relevant information in front of you. So we're just going to do that now. So there's the first name, last name, telephone number and email address. Now what we need to do is give yourself a login information. So give yourself a username, a password, and confirm the password. And now in here, what we need to do is just give yourself a referral code. Now, even if you're not planning on referring anybody, it's always useful to do so. And the referral code will just go at the end of this URL here. And I'm just going to put in MAND for now. And next, we need to go and get our Bitcoin wallet address. So let's do that. And to do that, we need to head over to where we have our Bitcoins stored. For me, my Bitcoins are in Coinbase, or some of my Bitcoins are in Coinbase. It's exactly the same principle. If you don't have a Coinbase account, what we'll have to do is you'll need to sign up for a Bitcoin account first and then fill it with funds. And you will need to see our other videos in how to do that. But if you have a Coinbase and you've got funds in there, all we need to do is head over to receive, or send and receive. And what we now need to do is click on the receive here. And what we now do is make sure on the asset, this is set at Ethereum, you just need to click and then select Bitcoin. Once you've done that, you then just copy the address and then head back over to your Copy Pro Trader. And then what you're going to do is just paste it into this address bar here. Once you've done that, what you then do is go to this box here, and you must make sure that all the boxes are correct. Once you're happy with that, click the box and then select next. Or if you want to read the terms of use again, I'd encourage you to read that and then select next. Now from here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to review all your information. I've just clicked save the password there. And then just take your time and review all of the information that you have provided. And then scroll down and then just check that all the information at the bottom is all correct. So it'll have your passwords, the person that referred you, their code, and then your Bitcoin wallet address here. Once you've done that, click submit. So from the submit button, you'll be taken to this page where we need to pay a $99 setup fee or a sign-up fee. And just believe me, you will make this money back once your trades start coming in. And to do this, we need to pay by Bitcoin. Here we have the two boxes. The first top box is the amount we need to pay. The second one is the Bitcoin wallet address we need to send it to. Now, what we need to do is send the exact amount. So we just need to click this button here and head over to our Coinbase wallet or whatever Bitcoin wallet you are using. Now I've just gone to one of my secondary Coinbase accounts where I normally don't hold a huge amount. It's where I normally just fund platforms such as this. So what we need to do is go to your Bitcoin wallet. So we go to send, receive. This time make sure it's on send. And then make sure we are paying with Bitcoin. So select the Bitcoin. but make sure that you select the right wallet with the correct amount in, and then just paste the amount in there. So jump back and over to our Copy Pro Trader. Now we copy the Bitcoin wallet address, paste it in there, and then if you're optional, give yourself a note, CPT, I've just called that, and then select continue. So from there, just view everything, make sure everything's correct, just double check you've got the right wallet, the right amount, and then once you're happy, send. So with your setup, what you will have is a confirmation code. It's going to send it now via my mobile device. And here it is. So I just need to type in the code. And then once that's done, click confirm. Okay, so that's telling me now that the money has been sent, or sorry, the Bitcoins have been sent, and the transactions can take up to 30 minutes. And please bear in mind, depending on the transactions that's actually happening on the blockchain, this may be longer than 30 minutes. So that's how to safely set up your Copy Pro Trader account, and also how to add your $99 subscription fee. So what we're going to do now is jump to the next video where we're going to show you how to safely set up your Kraken account, make a deposit, and also link your Kraken account with your Copy Pro Trader account in order for you to start trading.